Hi everyone, I'm Iroha. Welcome back to Learn Japanese with Iroha. Today, let's learn 10 Japanese school words that you often hear in anime. Let's get started. 1. 教室、教室 It means classroom. This is where students have their classes. For example, let's go to the classroom. In Japanese, 教室へ行こう. You hear this in many school anime. Let's practice. 教室 One more time. 教室 2. 制服制服 It means school uniform. Many anime characters wear school uniforms. For example, I forgot my uniform. In Japanese, 制服を忘れた Anime tip. Japanese school uniforms are famous all over the world. Let's practice. 制服 One more time. 制服 3. 宿題宿題 It means homework. Students often complain about homework. For example, Did you finish your homework? In Japanese, 宿題終わった? You hear this before tests or after school. Let's practice. 宿題 One more time. 宿題 4. テストテスト It means test. Tests are a big part of many school anime. For example, the test is tomorrow. In Japanese, テストは明日だ. Let's practice. テスト One more time. テスト 5. 部活部活 It means school club. Many anime stories are about club activities. For example, which club are you in? In Japanese, 何部なの? Anime tip. Many Japanese students join a club after school. Let's practice. 部活 One more time. 部活 6. 先生先生 It means teacher. Students call their teachers 先生. For example, Good morning 先生. In Japanese, 先生おはようございます. Let's practice. 先生 One more time. 先生 7. 保健室保健室 It means school nurse's office. Students go there when they don't feel well. For example, let's go to the nurse's office. In Japanese, 保健室へ行こう. Anime tip. Many memorable anime scenes happen in the nurse's office. Let's practice. 保健室 One more time. 保健室 8. 体育館体育館 It means gymnasium. Sports events often happen there. For example, let's meet in the gym. In Japanese, 体育館で会おう. Let's practice. 体育館 One more time. 体育館 9. 文化祭文化祭 It means school festival. This is one of the most popular events in anime. For example, the school festival starts today. In Japanese, 今日は文化祭だ. Anime tip. Many romance scenes happen during the school festival. Let's practice. 文化祭 One more time. 文化祭 10. 卒業卒業 It means graduation. Graduation is often an emotional ending in anime. For example, Congratulations on your graduation. In Japanese, 卒業おめでとう. Let's practice. 卒業 One more time. 卒業 Quiz time. What does 部活 mean? A. Homework. B. Graduation. C. School club. The answer is C. School club. Great job! Now you know 10 Japanese school words that you often hear in anime. Try listening for these words in your favorite anime. See you in the next lesson. Bye. またね。